Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the phone and starting enrollment. Make sure your Realme is updated and charged above 20% so the scan completes reliably. Once done, clean the sensor. Oil or lint causes failures. Then go to Settings, Security, and choose Fingerprint to add fingerprint. You will follow on-screen prompts, place your finger naturally, and lift when instructed. This first cycle captures broad areas. Do it now, and keep your finger relaxed, not pressed too hard, so the sensor registers multiple angles. Once the initial capture completes, continue by capturing multiple angles and edges. This improves recognition under varied grip and humidity. You should enroll the same finger twice if the menu allows, because duplicate profiles increase match tolerance. Make sure to roll slightly, left, right, and tip, so the sensor learns different contact points, and keep completing scans until the progress bar hits 100%. If prompted, add an alternate finger for backups. Doing this reduces false rejects when your finger is wet. Finalize by enabling Fingerprint for screen unlock and any payment apps you trust. Then immediately test several times using normal hand positions. If you get false rejects, retrain by deleting and re-enrolling the fingerprint. Sometimes a single poor capture ruins recognition, so repeat enrollment in a clean, dry environment. One key troubleshooting tip: if scanning fails repeatedly, wipe cache, reboot, or remove screen protectors and cases that touch the sensor. These often cause problems that re-enrollment alone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.